We have already created the vEmployee Locations view, and it gives us these 4 fields you see here. Now what we really wanted to do was include 5 fields. We want to have the employee ID field included in this view. But if you try to run the create statement with the exact same view name, it will tell you this view has already been created. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this existing view and alter it so it includes the new EmpID field. Let's take a look at the view we want to alter. Here's the vEmployee Locations view, which has all the records and 4 fields. Now what we need to do is get the code that created this and alter it just a little bit. Let's go sp_help text, 2 single quotes, and then inside of those quotes, the name of the view. Okay, here's the create view statement that created this view. Let's copy all of this text to a new window, paste it in, and let's change the word create to the word alter. And then just make one change in the select list, em.empid, and then a comma. Let's run this. It says commands completed successfully. Let's go back and run this view again. And notice we have 5 fields. The new field is the EmpID field at the beginning of the select list. Now that this vEmployee Locations view actually has an EmpID field included in it, I can join that view to other tables that use the EmpID field and then get more information. For example, let's go select all fields from the grant table, which has an EmpID field in it, and it tells you which grants were found by that employee, and we will join it to this view, vEmployee Locations. Now we can join it on the EmpID of the view being equivalent to the EmpID of the table. Let's go ahead and run this query. Now I can see all the grant information, what employee found them, and what city the employee is located in. Well, let's narrow our field selection list down to just include the grant fields and the city and the state from the view. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it shows all the grant fields and then 2 fields from the view, which shows the city and the state that procured the grant. Okay, let's turn this into a view. Let's create view, DBO, grant locations, as. And let's select all these lines of code. Now we should have a grant locations view. Let's refresh the views. There it is. The grant locations view is based on a table and another view. Query from the view, and you see all of the records. Please note, I didn't start the grant locations with a lowercase v. That's proper naming convention, but I wanted to show you that you can create a view under any name. Time for Lab 4.2, Skill Check 1. Alter the vEmployee Grants view to include EmpID as the first field of the view. Skill Check 2. Alter the vEmployee Pay Rates view to be based on a join of the vEmployee Locations view and the Pay Rates table. Include city as a field in the select list.